Japan is known for its technology. From cars to electronics, the Japanese build it better. But there is one thing that stands above the rest. The Shinkansen bullet train is a marvel of engineering. Since 1964, it has been moving people at speeds of over 200 miles per hour. But what makes it so special? Let's dive in and explore the lesser-known facts about this incredible machine. The Shinkansen is a network of high-speed railway lines in Japan. It is operated by Japan Railways. The Shinkansen is known for its speed, safety and reliability. The trains are sleek and modern with comfortable seats and large windows. They're also incredibly punctual, rarely arriving more than a minute late. But the Shinkansen is more than just a fast train. It's a symbol of Japan's commitment to innovation and efficiency. From its aerodynamic design to its advanced signaling system, every aspect of the Shinkansen has been carefully considered and engineered to perfection. So next time you're in Japan, be sure to take a ride on the Shinkansen. It's an experience you won't soon forget. One of the most remarkable things about the Shinkansen is how quiet it is. Even at top speed, you can hold a conversation without raising your voice. How is this possible? The answer lies in the train's innovative noise reduction technologies. The Shinkansen's aerodynamic design is the first line of defense against noise. The trains are designed to slice through the air, minimizing wind resistance and reducing noise. The long pointed nose of the train is particularly important in this regard, but the Shinkansen doesn't just deflect noise, it also absorbs it. Sound-absorbing materials are used throughout the train, from the walls and ceilings to the seats and floors. These materials help to dampen noise and create a more peaceful ride for passengers. The Shinkansen's commitment to noise reduction is a testament to Japanese engineering and their dedication to passenger comfort. It's a remarkable feat of engineering that makes traveling on the Shinkansen a truly unique experience. The Shinkansen is legendary for its punctuality. Trains are rarely delayed, and when they are, it's usually only by a matter of seconds. This incredible level of precision is the result of a combination of factors. The Shinkansen runs on dedicated tracks that are meticulously maintained. This ensures a smooth and level ride and minimizes the risk of delays due to track problems. The tracks are also elevated in many areas, which helps to avoid collisions with vehicles and other obstacles. The Shinkansen also benefits from an advanced signaling system that allows trains to run safely at very close intervals. This system uses a combination of trackside signals and onboard computers to control train speed and spacing, ensuring that trains can operate at maximum efficiency without compromising safety. But the human element is just as important as the technology. The Shinkansen's drivers are highly trained professionals who take great pride in their work. They are responsible for ensuring that trains arrive and depart on time while adhering to strict safety protocols. Japan is located in one of the most seismically active regions in the world. Earthquakes are a common occurrence and they can be incredibly destructive. So, how does the Shinkansen, with its high speeds and reliance on fixed infrastructure, cope with this ever-present threat? The Shinkansen is equipped with sophisticated earthquake detection systems. These systems are constantly monitoring seismic activity, and if an earthquake is detected, the trains are automatically brought to a halt. This rapid response system is crucial for preventing derailments and other accidents. But the Shinkansen's earthquake resistance goes beyond just early detection. The trains themselves are designed to withstand seismic forces. They are built with flexible structures that allow them to sway and bend rather than break during an earthquake. This flexibility helps to absorb the energy of the earthquake and minimize damage. The Shinkansen's tracks are also designed with earthquakes in mind. They are built on elevated structures that are designed to move with the ground during an earthquake, reducing stress on the tracks and trains. These structures are also equipped with dampers and other mechanisms that help to absorb seismic energy. The Shinkansen is an incredible feat of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of Japan's commitment to innovation and progress. Gap 3. As we look to the future, the Shinkansen continues to evolve. Japan is already developing the next generation of high-speed trains. Known as the maglev, these trains will levitate above the tracks using powerful magnets, allowing them to reach unprecedented speeds of up to 374 miles per hour, or 600 kilometers per hour. The maglev promises not only to cut travel time significantly, but also to provide an even smoother and quieter ride. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Engineers are exploring ways to make the Shinkansen even more environmentally friendly. Future models aim to reduce energy consumption and emissions, incorporating renewable energy sources and more efficient technologies. These advancements will ensure that high-speed rail remains a sustainable and viable mode of transportation for generations to come. Moreover, the Shinkansen's influence is spreading beyond Japan. Countries around the world are looking to Japan's expertise as they develop their own high-speed rail networks. From Europe to Asia to the Americas, the Shinkansen's legacy is inspiring a global revolution in rail travel. As we marvel at the Shinkansen's past and present, we can only imagine what the future holds. One thing is certain, the journey of innovation and progress will continue, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in high-speed rail travel. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to Voyagerverse for more interesting videos like this.